Everyone, this is yes, ma'am. Good afternoon. Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anisha Bhavikar of MEC, and today I am going to take a business of mini India cuisine. So this is basically a Indian food restaurant which I'm going to open. So there are six main things which I will put in mind to open a business. So first I would plan, then start, then fund it, set up, market, and then run it. So my executive summary would be costs included in the planner on a basis of industrial trends. My business plan is derived from a secondary retail market analysis. A buffer is included in the startup cost to ensure that the business is not underfinanced. And then one more would be we have also determined the traditional and non-traditional risk associated with the failure of the restaurant. My objectives would be I would keep the food cost at least less than 35% of the revenue. I would promote and expand the restaurant concept as a unique restaurant. I would expand the market and advertise to increase our customer base. My mission would be our restaurant would be an inspiring one, combining an electric atmosphere with excellent and interesting food. My main mission would be have a great food selection and efficient and superior customer service, because customer satisfaction would be my primary objective. My concept would also combine variety, ambience, entertainment, and the superior staff to create a sense of place. I would offer fair profits for the owners and investors, and a rewarding place to work for employees. My key to success would be unique, innovative, and contemporary product quality, retention focus, cost control focus, and the menu will target to varied people. My company summary would be the design. The restaurant will have two features. One will be a restaurant mainly for dining purpose and families. Other will be outdoor for the customers who want something not for heavy like lunch and dinner. Then there will be a chairs provided, a room with a style of a hut to give the restaurant an Indian look, and also to differentiate from others. The menu will be our restaurant is focused on servicing the needs of all the Indian food. There would be a little flexibility in the menu at the starting of the restaurant. The management, one restaurant manager, a cook according to need and demand, one supply chain and inventory manager, waiters according to the number of tables. Company started. I would start up a restaurant in high-tech city side. The startup cost are mainly most expense equipment, furniture, painting, reconstruction, rent, startup labor, and legal and consulting costs associated with the opening of our restaurant. Location would be a high-tech city because the area is well known for business markets and is good for revenue department and less cost. And there are many offices and metro staff etc. there. Open operation criteria: the president will serve lunch, dinner, and after hour dining during the weeks and weekends. Services will be during the following hours: lunch from 11 to 4 p.m., dinner from 6 to 11 p.m., breakfast from 8 to 12 noon, and then home delivery will be available on the order of more than 200 rupees. My market analysis would be my business is based on a pre-conceived idea. For market analysis, I would take the help of secondary data available. Today in India, the trend of specialty restaurants is increasing, dining experience and reasonable prices. Strategy and implementation: I would intend to succeed by giving people a combination of excellent and interesting food in an environment. I would focus on establishing a strong identity in our community with a grand opening. I would create an appealing and entertaining environment with unbeatable quality at an exceptional price. All menu items are moderately priced for the area. Competitive edges. Competitive edges will be an extraordinary contemporary restaurant design, Indian classic menu with featured menu, chef management, stock intensive program, inner and outer sectors marketing campaigns, employment training intensive and retention program. Personal plan. I believe the personal plan is in a good proportion to the size of the restaurant and project revenues. There will be a differentiation in the salaries of full-time employee and the part-time employee. There would be reward like best waiters of the week to boost the employee performances. Proper allowances will be provided to increase the job satisfaction level. Kitchen: a southern Indian chef with considerable experiences in different restaurants. cooks that work directly with chef, prepare cook or dishwashers, people cleaning the restaurant and waiters. Financial plan. Restaurant's financial model is based on a business concept, the plan for the worst but manage for the best. Restaurant's financial plan will include important assumption, risk analysis, break even analysis, profit and loss statement, cash flow statement, and balance sheet. My important assumption: economy, business growth, annual growth rate percentage, and seasonal sale variance. Industry and startup pricing and cost control, inventory turnover, and account payable. Thank you.